Hello guys, today I am going to show you that how to make hairbrush and grass brush for Photoshop. I am using Adobe Illustrator CC 2019 for this. By the way, if you guys have some problem to make this brush or you haven't Adobe Illustrator, and you need hairbrush, so you can download from the link in the description for free. Also you can make this brush in Adobe Photoshop, but if you have Adobe Illustrator so it will be great. Without any further ado, let's get started. First open Adobe Illustrator, make new file of 5 cm width, 5 cm height and click create. Follow my steps. We are going to make an art brush for Illustrator. Don't worry, it is very easy. Select ellipse tool, create ellipse, and edit the ellipse like this. Drag the shape into the brushes, select art brush and click OK. Type the name of brush. By the way, if you want a color brush, so you can choose dance, or tints and shades. But for now I am happy with this black color. You are free to choose your own color. Click OK. Now select the brush tool. Decrease the size of brush, and draw something like this. Something look like hairs. I haven't graphics tablet and I am using my cheap mouse for drawing, so sorry for my bad drawing. It's look good to me. Now open Photoshop, and create new file of 5 cm width, 5 cm height, and click create. It is a stroke shape, so we have to convert this into fill. For that, select the object, and from the menu bar, click on the object, and click expand appearance. Great, now it is a fill object. Select all the shapes and click Ctrl+G to group. Now drag the object from the Illustrator to Photoshop. Great, resize and position the object. OK, great. Now go to the menu bar, and click edit, click on the define brush preset. Choose name for your brush. I am typing hairbrush 5. You are always free to choose your own name for brush, and click OK. Great, your brush is ready now. Let's use this brush in some work. I am selecting some picture from my PC. Resize and position if required. Add layer mask, select brush and click hairbrush 5. Make sure your fill color is set to black. Paint over the picture. Great, it's look good to me. This is grass brush, as well as hairbrush. Let's add another picture. Add layer mask, select brush and paint over the picture. It is look great. You can use this brush in your own way. I am just showing you the method. You can also download this brush from the link in the description for free. I hope this video will help you little. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.